Welcome back. This is our second video. As promised, we are back again to deliver a presentation on balance sheet explained in just 5 minutes. Before discussing balance sheet and its contents, it is must to understand the loan funda, that is logic. You took a cash loan of rupees 10,000 from your friend. For you, cash received from your friend is asset because you can do business by using the 10,000 or you can buy something. So that's why this cash is asset for you. The second important aspect is it is payable back on a certain date as promised to your friend. So that's why it is a liability. In the previous video, we have discussed about what is trading and profit and loss account. So below the description, we have given link. You just go there and watch that video and come back and listen to this video again. So now you have started a business by investing 5,000. So here business has taken loan from you. So number one point, forget about yourself, forget about the owner, think from business point of view, and business has received cash from the owner. For that business, this cash is asset. If you shut down business, the business has to pay back to owner. Now let us construct the balance sheet. Balance sheet also look like T shape. It is having left side and it is also having right side. Left side we will be recording liabilities, right side we will be recording assets. Now let us take the same example what we have discussed in our first video. First thing, you have invested 5,000 rupees in the business. So first of all, it will be recorded asset side cash 5,000. Why? Because the business entity is receiving cash, and at the same time this cash what we took from the owner is payable back at the time of shutting down the business. Owner's liability 5,000 will be recorded liability side. Second transaction, we have used 2,850 rupees for the business expenses purposes. So from your cash, this 2,850 will be deducted. Why? Because we will pay expenses from what cash is available in our business. Next, you have sold all the mangoes for 4,000. So these are the cash sales. So that's why we are adding cash received from sales 4,000 back to the total cash. Then what happened? You got profit, that is total sales minus total expenses, that is 4,000 minus 2,850. So you got the profit. Actually, this profit belongs to whom? The profit belongs to owner. That's why this 1,150 should be added back to the owner's liability. Now if you do the total, let us see whether this balance sheet is tallied or not. So finally, net total liabilities are 6,150 and total assets of the business are 6,150. I hope you understood this concept. We will be discussing in our next video accounting equation explained in just 5 minutes for the beginners. Please subscribe our channel. If you feel that these videos are helpful to you, please kindly share with your friends and ask them to subscribe our channel. Dari Academy is our channel name. Thank you.